The Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited, or the BMRCL, has got a big push on Namma Metro Phase 2. On 17th March 2021, the Texmaco Rail, on the behalf of BMRCL, has officially started track welding work on the Namma Metro Yellow Line between Bommasandra and the Electronic City. For that, they have used flash butt welding machine for welding and the installation of tracks, which is the first step in the track laying process. Once this process is done, they will cast track plinth or track bed, and then the new ballastless tracks will be made. Once tracks will be ready, the system related works like third rail electrification and the signalling system will be installed. And then the section will be handed over to BMRCL for the trial runs of the Yellow Line. The Namma Metro Yellow Line is a 18.82 km long metro line which starts from RV Road to Bommasandra with 16 stations. This line will mainly serve the southern part of the city while passing through these important areas like HSR Layout, Central Silk Board and the Electronic City. If BMRCL maintain this pace of work, then the first section of the Yellow Line from Bommasandra to Osa Road might be inaugurated by mid-2022, and the remaining portion of the Yellow Line from Osa Road to RV Road might be inaugurated by mid-2023. Since February, the DMRC is floating system-related tenders one by one for the Delhi Metro Phase 4, and the Pink Line extension of Phase 4 is no exception. On 18th March 2021, the DMRC have invited bids to install overhead electrification or the OHE system works for the Delhi Metro's Pink Line extension between Maujpur and the Majlis Park. This is the first system-related tender for the Pink Line extension. Through this tender, the DMRC will choose a contractor which will supply, install and commission the 25 kV AC overhead electrification as well as the 33 kV substations for the uninterrupted power supply of the Pink Line extension. Once OHE work along with the other system related works like signaling and telecommunication will complete, the trains will able to run on this Pink Line extension. The Delhi Metro's Pink Line extension is a 12.5 km long metro line from Majlis Park to Maujpur with 8 metro stations. Once this section opens, the Pink Line will act as a ring line metro where trains can run either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction around the entire Delhi. If things are alright, then the extension will be open by the end of 2022. Another news is coming from Pune Metro. On 17th March 2021, the Pune Municipal Corporation's general body have approved the 5.5 km southward extension of Pune Metro's Purple Line from Swargate to Katraj. Although nothing has been officially confirmed about the alignment yet, but according to some sources, the DPR which was presented by Maha Metro have mentioned that the 5.5 km underground extension of Purple Line is estimated to cost around Rs 4,280 crores, and it will have 3 underground stations at Gultekdi, Sai Baba Nagar and Katraj. The things will be clear once the Maharashtra government approves this extension. Recently, on February 2021, the Maharashtra government have approved a 4.4 km northward extension of Purple Line from PCMC building to Nigdi to provide easy metro connectivity to the Pimpri Chinchwad area. So we think that the Katraj extension can also approve very soon. The Pune Metro Phase 1 is a 59 km long metro network which consists of a 20.9 km long Purple Line from Nigdi to Swargate, which also include a 5 km long underground section and a 14.5 km long elevated aqua line from Ramwadi to Vanas and a 23.5 km long line 3 from Civil Court to Megapolis Circle, which will be built at Public-Private Partnership or PPP model. If things go well, then the first section of Pune Metro Phase 1 will be inaugurated by the end of 2021. Subscribe to the Global Transits to get news updates on rapid transit system all across the world. And that's it for all. Goodbye and have a nice day.